light, compact, and low power. You can power it by a power bank. So I brought the power bank. Ngayon, sinaksak ko siya sa outlet, but you can use a power bank anywhere. So you can use it anywhere. You can use it in cars, in SUVs, taxi. You can use 2 cameras or more. Then you can view the data live stream. You can connect to Wi-Fi. So, ito yung iba pang mga features niya. I also added GPS tracking. So, if you install it in your taxi or in your SUV, in your bus, and then some trouble, of course, you can track your vehicle kung nasaan na siya, and then you can map it in Google Map. So, alam mo kung saan na siya. And then later on, I will add laser sensors, alarm buzzer, and auto lights on feature. Ito yung crime prevention. And then it will send automatically the image to my email. No? Tapos pwede niya i-save yung video to Google Drive. So ma-access mo sa Google Drive yung video mismo. Sa email, yung images lang makita mo. So kung may nagpapadala sa yung images, it means something na na-detect niya. So ito, yung tinatawag kong just reloaded, no? Parang matrix lang. So another usage of just, kanina yung normal usage, ito, reloaded. So kung merong bulgar, pumasok sa bahay mo, naka-install yung camera mo, no? Pwede siyang lagyan ng laser sensor. So yung laser, merong laser light. Tapos pag may dumaan, if someone passes by, mapuputol yung light. Madidetect doon ni Jazz kung may maputol yung light source. So, pag may na-detect siya, malalaman mo kasi mag-i-email siya sa'yo. No? Or pwede kang lagyan ng text mag-text mo sa Pilipinas. Pwede rin yan. Tapos, pwede niyang i-on yung lights. Kung madilim siya gabi, pwede i-on yung light, so matatakot na yung magnanakaw. So that's one way of preventing a crime. Hindi niya pwedeng pumasok kasi matatakot na siya, di ba? Makikita yung mukha niya, tapos may camera pala. Tapos may sounds pala. Na naririnig yung mga footsteps niya. And then, pwede siyang mag-alarm.